Well, here's another helpful tip to do-it-yourselfers such as myself. Do not put anything on top here, here, especially the oil fill cap. As I did, I had this thing sitting here and somehow it got bumped and it fell into the valley of death down here, which is not big enough to put a vacuum cleaner hose through there. There's no opening for it, and they're damn engineers. There's nothing in there, so stuff gets trapped in there. So I tried using long pliers, which were not long enough to reach in there. I tried using a coat hanger. Obviously, that didn't do any good. Ultimately, I ended up finding a piece of PVC pipe, scrap that I had laying around. And I'm going to see if I can extract this thing out of here ever so carefully. Watch it probably drop my flashlight in there. Okay, I've got it in place on there. Now I just need to turn the vacuum on. Well, got her done. Got it out. Now it's time for one of these.